Hello there guys, it's Sam again with another video review. So as you can see over here in my hands, I have the latest Nitecore quick charge wall adapter, 2 ports USB adapter. So this is the UA42Q. This is how Nitecore named this quick charger. So as you can see over here, some specifications on the back. We have an input 100 up to 240 volt. We have a 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 2 amps and 12 volt 1.5 amps. This is a 36 watt max output, so this is quite a big deal over here. So outside the box we have just a QR code for the specification, the validation code, in order to scan and see this is an original product from Nitecore. So let's open the package and see what we have inside. Oh, so it comes, that's really nice. Thanks for choosing Nitecore. A small detail over here. A nice package, so let's leave it aside. First we have a warranty card service from Nitecore. We have a manual in English and in Chinese on the back. And here we have the actual product. So this is the Nitecore UA42Q. This is a wall charger adapter. As you can see, we have a UK plug over here. In Greece we use European adapters, so we will have to use a socket like that. Let me zoom in. So here we have a close-up. This is a plastic case. This one comes with a lot of protection safeguards. So first we have an input and output over voltage protection, input and output over current protection, short circuit protection, reverse current protection, automatic cutoff protection, and we have an anti-static protection. So this is a plastic body outside. Over here on the top we have a quick charge output 1 and quick charge output 2. We can use both quick chargers at the same time. So let's put it to the test. Over here I have a little voltage meter USB. So as you can see, as soon as I plug it in, we have a blue LED on. Let me close. So yeah. So first we are going to try and quick charge my phone. This is a Xiaomi Mi 8. It uses quick charge function. So let's see. It's now quick charging. So you can see we have a quick charge already on the smartphone function. and here we can see the voltage and the amps that draws. Next, we will try and see if it can charge also the Nitecore. This is a P12 GTS. It has a built-in charging port. Let's plug it in. Yeah, so you can see over here it's now charging. Let me also plug in this little guy. So as you can see, so we have 4.87 volts and 0.40 amps. Nitecore made again a great design and execution of this product. Really nice. The paint really seems like an aluminum body. This is also fire retardant PC materials, so it cannot burn off. Some other, we have an 18 months free warranty and 15 days replacement from Nitecore, so this is also a really nice change. And you can also get these two UA55, so we have more USB ports, and UA46Q, where we have as you can see over here 5 USB ports that it can be used 50 watt max. So yeah, that was the Nitecore UA42Q. I hope I helped you a little bit with this video review, and see you in the next one. Peace.